dúpẹ́ bí ala nítorí Maryland. Pẹ́ bí ala Maryland máa ń dúpẹ́ bí ala. 100 naira Èkó. Ṣé màrà bá fún? Èkó, dáadáa ní Èkó. Bros corner.
Hi guys, good day, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Guys, it's been like 2 weeks since I vlogged last, if not 3. Schools are shutting down. On Friday, when I took my boy to school, the teacher called me and told me that he fell ill, like terribly ill. And I'm here just wondering and asking myself how a healthy child goes to school. See, children, they are just like petri dish. Like you just cannot, like, no matter how you try to make sure that, they don't put things in their mouths, they are healthy, there's just so much you can do, really. The rest, just leave it for God. By the way, I just made my hair. This is my front hair. So he came back from school. He used the school bus back, and he was running very, very high temperature. I was even scared. Like, I was so scared. And thank God I was at home with my husband, because we came back together. And I'm like, okay, I just rushed. I gave him paracetamol, children's paracetamol. And in like 1 hour, he became okay. He started, playing and happy. And then we went to sleep around past 12. Guys, when his body touched me, the way I was like, what? It's just like somebody poured me hot water. And when I woke up, I touched this guy's body. May we not be tempted beyond what we cannot take, because all this hard girl, reach where picking day, reach where picking day. But I just went to give him paracetamol again. I started praying, because we don't understand. But yeah, he's better. We went to the hospital when they broke. We rushed to the hospital. The what's it called? We did like full blood counts, and it came out that he has malaria. But thankfully, he's getting better. I just called the teacher. I said, see, you see that party and whatever you are planning, he's not going to come again. I've taken my leave. Like, I've taken my 1 month leave to be with my baby. Because, I have been working since the beginning of this year. And I think it's just in January or February or so that I took leave last. So I was like, you know what? Why did this work and working? Which money is not on my children? I'm going to be spending it on. So I just took leave. 1 month I'll be home. So yeah, that's about it. And yeah, there's not much thing to say in this vlog. I don't even know how this vlog will go. But yeah, my husband traveled, and they will just be home. I'll just be home. By the way, I just finished filming everything I'm going to be needing for my teaching class. Guys, my teaching class is almost ready. The way and manner at which people have been writing me on my TikTok, guys, that page is blowing them up. It is blowing up, and people asking me, when are you starting your teaching class? It's almost here. I'm almost done. Just putting finishing touches here and there. I have some orders for food. Even my sister's order is there. I'm collecting orders. See, God there. I'm collecting orders. I will be cooking for them. Even for my sister, I'll be going to the market to buy their proteins. And I have a lot. Pastries, like, God has been faithful. But I don't know. I might be showing you snippets here and there, but yeah. Meanwhile, let me just go and wash my car. It's very dirty. It's been raining cat and dog in Lagos. It's very, very dirty. So that's what I want to do now before my boy wakes up, because he's currently sleeping, and when he wakes up, he wants to go with me, and I just want to go alone. So let's get right into it. Welcome to the vlog. Hi guys, good morning. How are you all doing? This week is already my second week entering my leave. Like, I've done 1 week already, and I'm like, wow. So it's just remaining like 3 more weeks for me to go. In fact, 2 weeks, because this is a new week. So after this week now, I have just 2 weeks to stay at home. Thankfully, I have done 1 week again with my baby, because they are done with school. And what is it? Do you want to come down? If you come down, I won't back you again. This is what I have to face like every other day. Cartoon, like, okay, I would leave this door open just so that I put an eye on him. So yeah, I'm just happy that I've done like 2 weeks in. I'm sorry, yeah, this week is the second week. So I've done like 1 week and 1 day in, and I'm already with my baby. Coincidentally, although I know that it's going to be clashing with the time I'm going to be taking my days off, I wanted to also spend some time with him as well at home. Actually, why I fixed my leave during this period is for 2 reasons. I was thinking that my girl would travel because she lost her grandma, and she had already told me prior to now that she was going to travel. So I was like, okay, let me take my leave during this time. But she later cancelled on me, not on me, Sha, but she can't leave that out of that place. This is what I have to do like every day, and you see me shouting, oh, stop, don't do this, but so actually, she said she was not going to travel again because she felt it's just better for her to send her support from here, which I actually told her before, because I told her the road is hot now, but if you want to go, that's on you. But she later told me that she has thought about it and she just prefer to send her support from here. So that's it. I'm home, and that's that. I want to make something like finger food to eat. I have the mosa, this spring mayo, what they call that thing, prawn in mayo, and my samosa. I just want to fry that and just have that for breakfast this morning. My husband is also working from home. He's in the room. I don't want to disturb him. That's why I'm just standing here. My girl has gone to work. That's it. So that's just what I want to do now, and maybe just put the kitchen in order because there are some things she didn't do. Let me just put everything and have my breakfast. I'll carry you guys along. Guys, am I the only one who kind of double checks anything that your girl have done? I noticed that my girl, I don't know, anytime I ask her to do something, maybe say wash the plates, I'm not really satisfied with the way she washes my plate. Oh my God, this child. I'm not always satisfied with the way this boy, I'm not always, hold on. Every time, I will beat you now. Carry this your small hand away. Go to the parlor. I have to be apologizing. This is the way we are going to be doing vlog, in and out, breaking transmission. You understand? Because I'm the only one at home. My husband is working, like he's even having a meeting now, and this guy have slammed the door 2 times, has even locked the room. But then I don't want him to be crying around that area. So what I was saying is, I noticed that she doesn't really wash the plate to my satisfaction. So every now and again, I always go to just look at everything she has done, because I feel if you don't put your eyes on these people, I don't know, they don't do it to my satisfaction, really. Now, I sent her to the market to go get me something, and I realized anytime I send her to the market to buy me something, this girl will call me 1,001 times. And to look at what they said, they said it's 15. And she's not a small girl, that is the thing, she's over 25. Today, I wrote down everything I asked her to buy for me from the market, and I told her and I gave her a stern warning, and I said, don't call me, you are not a child, your mates are married. So when you go to the market, go to, like, if you want to buy something, when you price from Mr. A, go to Mr. B, go to Mr. C, go to Mr. D. By then you can be able to compare prices. Don't be like she calls me, she will snap it and send to me and say, how far, look at what I'm pricing it, is it okay? Damn, don't call me, guy, don't call me, just do your thing, write down the amount you bought these things, then come back, and then would you run me through the prices, then I will know whether you did well or not. Because I mean, how do I train her? So today I just gave her an idea of what so many things are. Like onion, I told her to buy me 2 baskets of onion, like not the main basket, this one that they used to, those small baskets. And I took her outside. I said, look at the sizes English, look at the sizes of our onion. That is what I want. So don't call me. Surprisingly, she's left the house for like one hour and she has not called me because I know that stern warning I gave her will stick. So let me see. Let me just see what she gets. I'll also show you guys. So let's fry. I'm just talking too much. And a carpenter is also coming here to do the mosquitoes in this season. So a carpenter is coming here to run like a mosquito nets for my kitchen and other things. So make you go chop. Don't mind me. I'm rambling too much. Let's go. So guys, I've brought out my samosa and everything. You see that it's in the freezer. I don't want it to thaw. See, I don't want it to thaw, so I'll just take it straight up, fry it. Just look, don't worry, once I'm done I will show you up close. But yeah, so these have been filled. I've filled it already. If you want to know how I prepared these finger foods, I have a channel, like a food channel on TikTok. Do well to follow me. You're going to be learning a whole lot for free. People have been telling me about my cooking class, and I don't know, I've started the process on Telegram, but it's where I work way pull my head. But yeah, that's it. So look at the ones I made. I'm putting them back into the freezer. So it's not something that is supposed to just stay. If not, it's going to suck up water, and we do not want that. So let's fry. See what it looks like. See? So you just break them up this way. I don't want it to talk. This is the prawn in, so so you should have something like this. Can you see? Can you see? So if you don't want your own to be this brown, this golden brown, you can just fry it lightly. Then you can now use this paper towel on it, just so that it also sucks up the oil, any excess oil. So this is what I'm having for breakfast, like this. Let's not talk about the calories. Thank you. I was wondering. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I just finished making this pot of bitter leaf soup. Can you see? So this for dinner. Hey guys, recall I had a delivery yesterday, and guess what that was? Clock it. I bought kinky.
Where is that juice?
So I got this Ghanaian food, keke. No, kenke, or is it dokuno? But anyways, with fish. And that's what I'm going to be having this morning. While the rest of my family members are having vegetable sauce and rice, I'm having this. So let me microwave it and show you what it looks like. I'm super impressed with her packaging. See the wake. No, this wake. Kenke, sorry. See the kenke. 3. And then 2 fish. See how she packages the onion and the sauce. No. And it's going for 5,000. I'm really impressed though. Jokes apart. She tried. I'm gonna give her a good review. That's good. Hi guys, good morning. Sweet and gracious morning to you all. Whoop whoop whoop. I cannot believe that this week is already my 3rd week. God, this week is already my 3rd week at home. So I've done I just entered my 3rd week being at home, and everything was just inside this vlog. It just shows that I haven't been vlogging much, really. I haven't really been vlogging much, but anyways, that's about it. I am driving to the island now. I have something to do at the island. I'm waiting for my girl. I just sent her to the market to buy Pampers and some little groceries like that. So I'm just waiting for her. I'm just at home with my son. My husband has resumed work. All through last week, like I told you, he worked from home, but this week he's going to the office. So that's about it. I'm just thinking, in the last foot of my leave, I don't know, I think I'll be going to Enugu. Yeah, I'm going to Enugu because my sister-in-law's children are coming from Port Harcourt. Those are my two sweet sisters, two sweet daughters. They are coming to Enugu, so I just wanted them to also see my son. Even though they've seen him like once, and they are also longing to see him. So I was like, okay, do you know what? I'm going to come with him to Enugu just so that you have some time with him to bond. So, but I will have it like a very short stay in Enugu, say between 7 to 10 days, and I'll be back again to Lagos. But that's about it. I have an appointment for 11, but what's the time now? 10:17. The time is 10:17, so by 10:30 max, I should be leaving this house. But yeah, that's about it. So really, I cannot even believe for the life of me that 3 weeks like that is gone. See, we are almost at the last lap. Oh no, okay, not that like the last lap, but almost at the last lap of the year. Was it not when yesterday that we started this year? We started this year yesterday. By the way, I'm using Queen of Roses. Yeah. I just like with the day my friend got me this perfume, like I said, I feel it doesn't just last very long, but there's one now that is out that I'm raving or I really want to buy. This Drift Sunrise. I'll be Sunrise Drift. I'll be waiting. This one is Queen House of Joy, the one that Victoria no allow us rest. I bought it and it's just there. It's okay, but it's just there. But yeah, that's about it. This year is slowly winding down, See, if you just have go, just write it and hit the ground running because it doesn't wait for anybody. But that's about it. Let me just start going now because I don't know. I hate going to the island on Mondays. I don't know. I just feel everywhere will be blocked. When they gave me 11 a.m. appointment, usually I used to leave the house about 9 a.m. But I said, lie. I want to leave this house 10:30. So that maybe around 11:20, 11:30, I will be at the place. So that's about it, Sha. Let's go.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it. Do us. So we are coming in with a force. Yeah.
So guys, I'm done with my appointments. I got in here at 11 minutes past 12, and I'm done. And the time is just about 12:51. So in less than an hour, I'm done. So I'm heading home. I just want to go and rest. And thankfully, there was no hold up coming here, and I hope there will not be hold up going back. So that's about it. I'm thinking whether I should go and get small chop. I'm kind of hungry. I should just get home and look for what to eat. But whichever way, I'm gonna fix it. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys. So I just got home now. You'll not believe the time is almost to 4 p.m. Anyways, I actually branched somewhere to see me and my hubby. We were supposed to go see some group of people, so we just branched. I branched there. In fact, I even got there before him, so he came to meet me, and then we finished, and I just left him, and he went back to the office, and I came back home. So while I was there, I don't know, I was just craving catfish barbecue. I just called my girl. I told her to go and get me catfish, so she just got it now, and that's what I'm going to have for dinner. So let me just change, have my bath, and hop into the kitchen. Who is there? I'm back now to start shouting. Who is there? Yeah. Hey God, so that's what I want to do now. Let me just go have my bath and do the barbecue. I don't think I'll carry you through the process. I'll just show you when I'm done. Yeah. So I'm done. This is what we have. This is my fish. I've started eating from it. See. So yeah, dinner is served. This is chips and the remaining barbecue sauce, ketchup, coleslaw, and my juice.